The material of this keypad is Zenmark zinc oleo material. So with the metal surface, this keypad is vandal-proof, and it could be used in many public machines like vending machine, kiosk, and a fuel dispenser, and many other places. This design is a 1x4 matrix design with matrix connector, and the PCB is double-side PCB with golden fingers, so the contact is very reliable when you use it. This connector is XH connector with pins, and there also has many other choices like pins header, XH plug, USB, PS2, and many other choices. This handset is without LED, but the numbers on the buttons could be changed according to your request.